Hey students, now I am taking first year BCom Financial Accounting. Under that, the chapter is Rectification of Error. See the problem. This is like this. A bookkeeper found that there was rupees 325 different in the trial balance being excess credit. So there is a difference of 325. It is excess credit. That means this is relating to the opening balance. So if in the problem it is given like this in starting, there is a trial balance difference which is 325 excess credit. So this is the opening balance of suspense account. Then unable to locate the error in time, he decided to place the amount in the suspense account. That means this amount is the opening balance of suspense account. Subsequently, the following errors were found. The journal entries for rectifying them. Pass the journal entries for rectifying them and prepare the suspense account. So when the opening balance is given, then the suspense account should be tallied. ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದಿದೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Then we can solve the problems or we have to pass the rectification entries. So the first transaction is like this. Credit sale of rupees 100 to Lokesh has been credited to his account. So the last part is wrong. Credited to his account means here it is Lokesh. So we have to debit the Lokesh account. Actually his account, whether it should be debited or credited, we should see. See here, sale to Lokesh means the actual entry is Lokesh account debit into sales account. Instead of debiting Lokesh account, we are credited the Lokesh account. That means there is two side error. One is side is opposite. That means actually Lokesh should be debited, but wrongly it is credited. So when the side is different, that is changed, debit credit or credit debit, the amount should be doubled. ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಕೌಂಟಿನ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆದ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ದ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. Actually it should be debit to Lokesh account. So side is opposite, so the amount should be doubled. So 100 rupees means we have to debit 200 rupees. Another side is correct, therefore this should be suspense account. Only one account is affected in this transaction, that is Lokesh account, and the side is changed, so the amount should be doubled. And it is one side, one account is affected, so the next account should be suspense account. And narration is like this: being credit sale to Lokesh, wrongly credited to his account, rectified. Wrongly credited to his account, rectified. Then we can see the second transaction. A sum of rupees 50 received from Chetan has been credited to his account as 50. First we have to see whether his account is debit or credit. So the transaction is received from Chetan means cash comes in, cash account data to Chetan's account. But what happened here? Instead of 50 rupees, we are credited to Chetan. So side is correct side. So we are credited to Chetan's account is correct as rupees 50. That means actual amount is 50 rupees. We are written it is 15. That means we are written less amount. That means under cost. So 35 rupees is under cost in Chetan's account. Actually Chetan's account is credit here because received from Chetan means cash account debit to Chetan's account. So 35 rupees is under cost. So I already told you, if anything is under cost means same side. If it is over cost means opposite side. So here it is under cost in Chetan's account. So Chetan is credit here. So his account should be credited. That means we have to write to Chetan's account, creditor. So the undercast amount is 50 minus 50, that is 35. So only one account is affected here. Therefore, the next account should be suspense account. If it is one-sided error, then next side account should be suspense account. So suspense account data 2, the entry is like this. Second entry is suspense account data 2, Chetan's account. Difference, that is 50 rupees and minus 15 rupees. So the amount is 35 rupees. So the narration is like this. A sum of rupees 50 received from Chetan wrongly credited to his account as 15 rectified. You can write like that only. Or easily you can write like this. The Chetan's account undercast rectified, being the undercast in Chetan's account rectified. Chetan's account being the undercast in Chetan's account rectified. So ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅದರದ್ದು ನರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವುದು. So 2 transaction is over. Then we can see the third transaction. The third transaction is like this. Total of purchases returns book overcast by 50 rupees. See here, purchases returns book is always credit. Purchases debit, purchases return is credit. It is overcast. If undercast means same side, overcast means opposite side. So purchases return is always credit. So overcast means opposite side means now we have to debit the purchases returns account. So the entry is purchase account data 2. No other account is affected. So once one account is, another account should be suspense account. ಒಂದೇ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಆಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 50 rupees. ಒಂದೇ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿ ಓವರ್ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ rectified. Being, narration is being overcasting purchases return book rectified. Then see the next transaction. Discount column on credit side of the cash book overcast by 10 rupees. It is clearly given discount account credit side is overcast. So always overcast means once again it is opposite side. Here it is given credit side of discount account is overcast. That is means discount credit side is overcast. So now we have to debit the discount account because it is overcast. Credit side is overcast. So we have to debit the discount account. Once again, only one account is affected here. So the next account should be suspense account. Another account should be suspense account. The amount is 10 rupees. Overcast by 10 rupees. So the journal entry is discount account data to suspense account. And the narration is being discount account undercast rectified. Being undercast in discount account rectified. Being undercast in discount account rectified. Then we can see the next transaction. It is rent of rupees 80 paid to landlord has been debited to landlord's account. So last one is wrong. That is debited to landlord is wrong. So now we have to credit it. So wrong means we have to change the side. So now we have to credit the landlord's account. Then what about debit? We are paid what? We are paid the rent. We are paid the rent. Therefore, we have to debit the rent account. We actually paid rent. Or you can think like this. Rent is an expenses. So expenses should be always debit. Therefore, rent account should be debit. And landlord's account is wrongly debited. That means we have to credit the landlord's account. So the entry is rent account data to landlord's account. The amount is 80 rupees. 80 rupees. Being rent paid to landlord wrongly debited to landlord landlord's account rectified. Being, once again, rent paid to landlord wrongly debited to landlord's account rectified. Next, you can see the last transaction. It is like this. A sum of rupees 50 paid for commission, that is a payment for commission, has been credited to commission account. When you are paying the commission, that means commission should be debited. Commission should be debited because it is expenses. We are paying it. But what happened to commission account? It is wrongly credited. That means actually it should be debited. Now it is credited. Reverse the last one. That is credited means we have to debit it. Actually it should be debited. When the side is changed, the amount should be doubled. Account is same. So here affected is commission account. First we have to see whether that account is debit or credit. So it is actually debited. Wrongly debited means we have to debit the commission account. But the side is changed. Therefore the amount should be doubled. Here amount is 50. We have to write 100 rupees. Here also, once again, only the commission account is effective. Commission account is only affected. Therefore, commission next side account should be suspense account. Suspense account. The entry is commission account debtor to suspense account and the amount is double, that is 50 plus 50, 100 rupees. And the narration is like this. Commission paid wrongly credited to commission account rectified. B. Commission paid wrongly credited to commission account rectified. So the entry is over. Then you are already passed the journal entries. Then it is easy to prepare the suspense account. So next step is we have to prepare the suspense account. We have to prepare the suspense account. See, if the opening balance is here, opening balance is given. So this is a suspense account. So opening balance is given. If it is excess means once again side opposite. Illi sage excess kotro side opposite. Short means side same side. Here it is excess credit means we have to change the side. That means it should be debit. So it is the opening balance. We have to write to balance brought down. It is 325. So here there is no need of leaving one space because opening balance it itself is given. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್. ಆ ರೂಲ್ಸಿನಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ? ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ opening balance once again, or there is no balancing figure. The suspense account should be tally. Suspense account tally ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we have to see the journal entries already passed for these 6 entries. So the first entry is low case account debtor to suspense or suspense account credited by low case account. Amount is 200. Next entry is suspense to Chetan's account. So debit Chetan's account, suspense account debtor to Chetan's account. Amount is 35. Next one is purchases returns account debtor to suspense account or suspense account credited by purchases returns account. Purchases returns account. Amount is 50 rupees. Next entry is discount account debtor to suspense account or suspense account credited by discount account. Amount is 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Next entry is rent account debtor to landlord's account. It does not affect the suspense account. It not at all affect the suspense account. So leave that entry. Next one is commission to suspense or commission account credited by suspense account credited by commission account. amount is 100. Next we have to see whether it tallies. Here it is automatically it will tally 360, 360. If it is tally means that journal entry and the preparation of ledger account is correct. So it implies that if both sides are tally, if the opening balance is given, then it implies that your problem is solved correct. Opening balance ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಬಿಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸರಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ rectification of error. Problem is over.